Ketimus, also called Ketimus in Sundanese, or known as lemet in some parts of Java, is a traditional Indonesian steam cake made primarily from grated cassava. It is especially associated with West Java, although similar versions can be found in other regions of Java. The main ingredients include grated coconut, palm sugar, gula merah, a pinch of salt. The ingredients are mixed together, wrapped in banana leaves into small cylindrical or rectangular parcels, and then steamed until soft. Some regional recipes also include mashed banana, jackfruit, or a little flour to improve the texture. Ketimus has a naturally sweet, rich flavor from the palm sugar and coconut, while the steamed cassava gives it a soft, moist, and slightly chewy texture. The banana leaf wrapper adds a subtle earthy aroma that enhances the overall taste. Traditionally, Ketimus is sold in local markets alongside other Indonesian food. It is commonly enjoyed as a breakfast item or afternoon snack with a cup of tea or coffee. In some communities, Ketimus is also prepared for family gatherings, celebrations, and Thanksgiving ceremonies.
Understood this ring true.